खून भरी मांग तो सुनी होगी, लेकिन क्या आपने सुना है खून भरा खत? शॉकिंग ना। आमिर खान ने रिकॉल किया वो टाइम जब उन्होंने लिखा था अपने खून से एक खत अपनी एक्स वाइफ के लिए। To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Amir Khan recalled that he once wrote a letter in blood for his first wife Reena Datta, and she didn't like it at all. Amir Khan was yet to make his debut in the movies when he met his first wife Reena Datta and fell in love with her. Amir was head over heels in love when he was trying to woo her, and in trying to impress her, he did quite something dangerous. एक पुराने इंटरव्यू में आमिर खान ने कन्फेस किया था कि उन्होंने एक लव लेटर लिखा था अपनी खून से रीना के लिए, और उन्होंने बताया कि रीना इस बात से बहुत अपसेट हुई थी और उनको बाद में रियलाइज हुआ कि उनका गुस्सा होना सही था। In a 1999 interview with Simi Grewal, Amir was asked about writing letters in blood, and to this he said, "Well, once I wrote a letter in blood, after which I was appropriately put in my place by her. She didn't like it at all. She was quite upset with me." When asked what made Amir do that, he shared that it was his immature way of interpreting love. "You know, I was young and I thought that it's a way to express the deep love that I have for her. But today I feel that I hear a lot of kids doing that, and I receive a lot of letters in blood, and I think that is not a nice thing to do. You don't need to do that to express your love for a person, so I wouldn't advise youngsters to do that," he said. Same conversation में उन्होंने ये भी रिवील किया कि वो और रीना एक साथ घर से भागे थे जब वो 21 साल के थे और रीना 19 साल की थी। उन्होंने कहा कि उन दोनों के पेरेंट्स को उनके अफेयर के बारे में नहीं पता था, और रीना के पेरेंट्स इस बात से बहुत नाराज थे कि रीना किसी को डेट कर रही है। आमिर को डर था कि कहीं वो एक दूसरे को खो ना दे, इसलिए उन लोगों ने ये टफ डिसीजन लिया था कि वो घर से भाग जाएंगे। He stated it wasn't out of disrespect or rebellion, it was more out of insecurity, he said. Amir said that he wasn't even 21 when they decided to get married, so they had to wait a couple of months before they could legally marry each other. In another interview, Amir had said that his wedding to Reena cost him only ₹10. He shared with Rediff, "I got married to Reena secretly through court marriage with 3 witnesses. My wedding with Reena was most economical. I took bus 211 and bought a ticket of 50 paise. I got down at Bandra Station West, crossed the bridge, landed in the east, and walked towards the highway. I crossed that highway and entered Griha Nirman Bhavan, where there is a marriage registrar office. So my first wedding cost me less than ₹10. Amir and Reena stayed married for 16 years and divorced in 2002. They are parents to Junaid and Ira." Well, Amir Khan की पहली लव स्टोरी किसी फिल्म की कहानी से कम नहीं है। It is filled with drama and love. तो आपको कैसी लगी आमिर खान की लव स्टोरी, और क्या है आपके थॉट्स उनके खून भरे लेटर पे? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.